The first step is to make one slip knot. We are not going to make a magic ring because this is the plush yarn, and it's not easy to make a magic ring with the plush yarn, so we're going to use the 2-chain method. So chain 2, 1 and 2. In the first chain, I'm going to make 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We need to count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now inside of the first single crochet that we made, which is this one, I'm going to do 2 single crochets, which means 1 increase. 1, and put the stitch marker here as the first stitch of round 2, and in the same place, in the same stitch, the other single crochet. So now we have 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 3 and 4 in the next stitch, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and this is the last one, 11 and 12. At the end of the round 2, you must have 12 single crochets. Now I want to start the next round, which is round 3. So take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, put the stitch marker back, and 1 increase. 1 and 2. Again, 1 single crochet, and in the next one, 1 increase. 1 and 2. Again, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. You need to repeat this 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 18 single crochets. See you after that. So this is the end of the round 3. Now I want to take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and mark it. On this round, on round 4, we want to do 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. So after the round 4, you must have 18 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 1 single crochet inside of each stitch, and so on. This is the end of the round 4. Now I want to start the round 5. On this round, we want to crochet the hands. So I'm going to crochet the hands from here. First chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the third chain from the hook, which is here, you see 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to make 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook inside of the chain, pull through, make 3 loops, and pull through the 3 loops. 1, and in the next chain, another half double crochet. So this is it. It's going to be the next stitch. I'm not going to skip any stitches, so this is the next stitch, and I want to crochet a single crochet inside of it. You see, 1 single crochet. I need 9 stitches between the 2 hands, so this was 1 single crochet. I need 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, the other hand, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now in the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna do a half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert your hook, make 3 loops and pull through all the 3 loops. 1 half double crochet, this is the next one, the next chain, and 2 half double crochets. Now again, in the next stitch, I'm not gonna skip. I'm gonna do 9 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is the end of the round 5. Now I want to keep crocheting. So this is the next stitch. I'm gonna make single crochet inside. So in here we didn't skip any stitches, so inside of here I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, and I'm gonna mark it as the first single crochet of the round 6. I marked that. Now 1 single crochet inside of each stitch until the other hand. This is the stitch right before the other hand, so I'm going to make 1 single crochet inside of it. And the next stitch after the hand, which is this one. Right? Now until the end of the round. And the last stitch. Don't forget to count the stitches on this round because this is so important to still have 18 single crochets. For the round 7, I just want to do single crochet, 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. So first 1 single crochet and mark it as the first stitch of this round. Let's see. And 1 single crochet inside of each stitch until the end of the round. This is the end of the round 7. We still have 18 single crochets. Now I want to do some decreases. 1 single crochet and mark it. Now we need to do 1 decrease. To decrease, you need to find the front loop, which is here. You see this one is the back loop, this one is the front loop. I want to insert my hook from under the chain, under the V shape, from here, and bring it out from the middle of the chain, middle of the V shape, and get 1 loop on my hook. You see, this is not a V shape on my hook. So get this, and then the next stitch, 1 loop, pull through these 2 loops and make 1 single crochet. So this was 1 decrease. We're going to do this 6 times. So 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Again, 1 single crochet, the other decrease from under it and bring it out from the middle. Right there. 1 decrease. Again, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. So do this 6 times, then you will have 12 single crochets, and I'm gonna meet you there. So this is the end of this round. Now I have 12 single crochets. Let's make this look bigger because I want to insert the eyes and fill the body. If the eyes that you are going to use are not like this, you can just use glue gun and stick them to the body. This is where I inserted the eye. You see 2 stitches after the hand, and also here 2 stitches after the hand, and 1 row upper than the hand. So after connecting the eyes, I want to fill the duck. Okay, now I want to start the last round. So take out the stitch marker, we don't need it anymore. Just go. And now we need 6 decreases. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Now in the front stitch, which is here, I want to do slip stitch. Now you can cut the yarn. Now we need a needle. Now I'm going to use the needle and insert it from here. Bring it out. And again, I'm going to bring it out from here. See? Not visible. This is the ring I want to use, so insert your needle inside of there. I want to connect it to the top of the body, right there. See? Bring it out from somewhere else. Like that. It's safe now. Now you can cut the rest of the yarn. Now we want to sew the face. You can use orange or yellow yarn, and you need a needle. Now I want to insert it from here and bring it out from there. We need a little tail to stay, and I'm gonna insert it from here. See, I'm gonna do this 2 times so we can shape it like the mouth, like this. Now this part is optional. You can sew the feet for the dog from here. Yeah, nice. To there. And the other leg. Here and there. Now I want to bring it out from where we started. See, like that. Now you can cut the yarn. And let's tie them. 1 and 2 is enough. Now I'm going to push it inside of the body, just like that. So our little duck is completely ready. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future videos. See you guys.